Scott, tell me what you're showing here at CES.
Dave, this is our autonomous window cleaning robot. And this is a small device, hold it with one hand. You'll see there's some mopping and squeegees on the back end of it. This, what you hear, is the motor that's driving the suction, which adheres it to the window. So now all I do is turn it around and it'll suck into the window. And then you hear a noise that's letting you know that it's ready to go. And you don't do anything until, and then it takes off. And it now is going to run vertical and horizontal for a quick second to measure the window, and it takes off and cleans itself. And this will clean itself in about 5 or 6 minutes for this large window.
Sweet. Now we've got to see what the vacuum is doing while the windows are being cleaned.
And I can go back to watching football, and you know, my wife comes home and thinks
you'll be doing the dishes, of course.
Of course. So over here, this is our new advanced DEEBOT Osmo 930 robot. Now this has laser mapping, which we talked about a little bit earlier. It has our Osmo mopping technology with actually a water tank and smart sensors to control the water flow. It mops, it vacuums, and it's all connected through Connected Home, and it runs, it basically takes care of all your chores for you that you don't want to go do. This is just going to be a picture of the map of your home. So it does that via laser, it maps it out, and then it gives you a picture. And this app right here is how you actually can draw a virtual boundary and tell it, to go somewhere or not to go somewhere. And it also gives you an idea of where the carpet is versus hardwood flooring, because this robot has adaptive floor sensing, which actually detects the type of floor that it's on via hardwood or carpet, and then it alters or increases the performance based on the flooring material that it's on. So when it goes to carpet, it increases the suction power in order to clean properly carpet. So say Cameron spills some stuff in the living room and mom or dad are busy, all you got to do is tell DEEBOT via Google or Alexa, right, to go do what you want it to go do, and it's already gone off cleaning while you're dealing with the kids.
And you're not having to do anything.
Imagine that, right? It's great. It's the best of all worlds.